If you've done any research on how to hire a roofing contractor, you've probably been told by more than one expert that you need to choose a contractor with the proper insurance. This is sound advice that should not under any circumstances be ignored. In fact, the need for contractor insurance is so important that we also suggest that homeowners call the contractor's insurance company to verify the contractor has the right coverage and that the insurance will be in effect for the duration of the project. When you check to verify the contractor's insurance compliance, there's two types of insurance you'll need to look for. The first is called general liability insurance. This insurance is very important because it ensures the contractor is covered for damage to your property and injuries to persons as a result of the contractor's operation or their negligence. In other words, the contractor's general liability insurance covers the contractor and the homeowner if the contractor's ladder falls on your car or goes through the picture window, for example. General liability insurance will also cover property damage resulting from roof leaks caused by faulty workmanship. The second type of insurance you'll want to check for is called workers' compensation insurance. This insurance is critical, and it's a must-have for all roofing contractors because it protects the contractor and homeowner in the event that the worker is injured on the project. You might be surprised to know that in 2011, the Bureau of Labor and Statistics reported that roofing contractors were ranked number 5 in terms of workplace fatalities. I'm telling you this because if a worker is injured on your property, you might be held liable for all costs unless the worker's covered by their workers' compensation insurance. And as I'm sure you know, hospital bills for serious accidents can be extraordinarily expensive. When it comes to the contractor's insurance, there's something else to consider. Does the contractor use his own employees to do the work, or do they use subcontractors? This is very important because if the contractor you choose subcontracts your project's labor to a different contractor, you'll want to verify that the subcontractor has their own insurance coverage. Now, some contractors may tell you and include in the homeowner's contract wording that states that they will only use insured subcontractors. Others may provide a copy of the subcontractor's agreement to carry insurance, but neither of these answers confirm the subcontractor actually has the insurance, which is why we think it still makes good sense to ask for proof. Now, I can see how some homeowners might feel a little bit uneasy about asking the contractor to provide proof of insurance. They may not want to appear confrontational or as though they don't trust the contractor. But homeowners need to understand that most reputable contractors will be prepared and eager to prove their insurance compliance. The professional contractor will be pleased to know that you're a smart consumer, and they'll be eager to show you why they represent the least amount of risk to you and your personal property. Besides, if the contractor is unwilling to provide proof of insurance or gets angry when you ask, it should send up a red flag about the quality of that contractor. So don't let your wanting to be polite deny you the opportunity to make a smart choice that protects your best interests. And one final thought. It's also worth mentioning that carrying the proper insurance and operating the project safely adds considerable costs to the project. I'm telling you this because expenses could be the cause of wide variations in price between the contractors who follow the proper standards and those who ignore them. As a consumer, you need to ask yourself if you want to save money and assume literally all of the risks, or if you want to choose a professional roofing contractor who minimizes those risks. If you go to the IKO website at IKO.com, you'll be pleased to know that all of the Shield Pro Plus contractors were screened at the time of enrollment to verify that they possess the necessary insurance. I'd like to thank you for watching this video.